Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw number. Color name orange color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, magenta color, green color, white color, brown color, blue color, red color, blue color, black color, green color. So let's go kids. 1. Now I am drawing number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please subscribe and watch the full video kids. Number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Bye kids.